Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to export Revit file to AutoCAD, Decal, PDF and how to save Revit file to older version. So now I'm going to show you how to export Revit to AutoCAD. Okay, I have this plan and this is 3D and this is the floor plan. I want to export it to AutoCAD. So from here go to file, export, then cut format, select cut. And here this is the current view that if you want to export. So I want to export some more plan, so click in this and then from here select all view plan. From here you can choose what plan you want to export. I'm going to choose floor plan, ground floor, first floor and second floor and one 3D. When you select it and then hit the next button, from here you can choose where you want the name of the export, and then you can choose which version of AutoCAD open. From here select the file location. That's it. Okay, open AutoCAD. From here open file. First I'm going to open first floor. From here select the first floor and open. There you go. This is the first plan that now I export to AutoCAD. Let's try the 3D view. Yeah, this 3D view open. Yeah, this is the 3D view. And now I'm going to show you how to export Revit to DLX Evo. So all you have to do is go to the file and from here export and then IFC, export to IFC. So from here you can choose where you want to save your file. So I'm going to save in this folder. And export. So now I'm going to show you how to open in DLX Evo. So from here hit import plan IFC and then find your file and open. So from here hit the next button and then I want all level 1, level 2, level 3 and next, and also I want that all to be tick mark like roof content, roof top element, finish. Okay, this is my file that I work with Revit, and now I open it with DLX Evo. So let's see in 3D. This is how to export Revit file to DLX. In this part I'm going to show you how to export Revit file to PDF. Okay, so this is my project. I want to export to PDF. So the first time you have to hide the line like this. So again you will see the floor element in here. So all you have to do is hide the floor element and then export. So now I'm going to hide one by one the floor element, because I'm not going to see this in PDF, and it will make you confused if you not hide this element. Okay, so okay, and now let's see in hiding line. Okay, and now all you have to do is go to file, and from here go to print, and then print. Okay, from here select the Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, from here you can change the your file location if you want to. So let's select the desktop, and you can rename as well. Okay, and it's a setting for the paper, so you want to change the paper size, maybe A4 or A3. So let's select A3. It should be portable or landscape. I'm not going to change this, and click the head button, and then again OK, and then again to desktop and save. So now your project saved to PDF. So let's see, let's open this. Here we go. This is how to export the Revit file to PDF. So as you can see, I use Revit 2019. Okay, I'm going to open this plan. So I'm going to save this file to old version. So if you want to try to save from here, there is not any option to save. As you can see, there is not option to save to old version like AutoCAD that we do. So we have to export this to a IFC file. So from here go to file, and then export, and then select IFC. So there is have some setting. From here you can choose where you want to save your file. So I'm going to save in this folder. So you can change this setting, you can if you want, but I don't want to change this, and then hit the export button. Okay, this exported to the old version. So I'm going to close this. If you have the old version, you can now open this file to all. So I'm going to show you how to open in your Revit software. So go to file, open, and select IFC file. So and then find your file, and then select this one, and then open this. This is how we open IFC file in Revit. So let's open. Here we go. This is the file that I exported to old version. So because I didn't have the old version, so now I just show you how to open. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel to get more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.